Hello, my name is Petra and I am from Germany. I want to tell you a story about the Congress for the Future by children for younger children. My 12 years old students have planned and organized a Congress for the Future for more than 90 primary school kids, autonomous and independently. But why did they do this? The first idea arose during school lessons regarding future and climate change. For the Space for Change competition, all students have developed 13 projects, and they participated in the virtual Future Congress of our Ministry of Education. On the next day, 16 students decided we will organize our own congress, but better than the adults. From this moment on, I was no longer the teacher, but only the secretary of the class. The students transformed some of the existing projects to 10 workshops regarding biodiversity, climate change, fair trade, future playground, healthy food, re- and upcycling, renaturation, and waste. And the students organized several conference rooms in a big public building, as well as a catering. At the Future Congress some weeks later, the 12 years old students guided the workshops alone in teams of two in two workshop rounds. In the third workshop round, all participants, including the teachers of the primary schools, took part in a dream journey to the school of the future. At the end of the congress, the primary kids noted their ideas, wishes, and demands for their future on post-its. All post-its were collected on 4 whiteboards with the topics family and friends, school and career, my city, environment. Back to school, the sixth graders clustered every whiteboard and presented the results, including recommendations for actions, to our mayor and the district administrator. 2 ideas from the Congress are currently implemented by the city and the district. The politicians and the elementary schools would like to see another Congress for the future. So, my 12 years old students have planned and organized, autonomously and independently, a Congress for the future for younger children that has consequences in the participating schools and in politics. This great performance always makes me think of an African proverb: when many small people in many small places take many small steps, they can change the world. So if you also want to give your students the opportunity to take many of these steps, let's meet up in Turku.